Hi everyone, back with a new video, and this time a creative one using the latest Google Gemini Nano Banana Pro. And the goal is to have some fun creating posters that are using this geometric creative shape and focused on the animal kingdom elements with a really nice poster design. So this what would the final output look like, and let's start. So first things first, of course, you need to go to your Gemini, and you are going to make sure that you pick the right mode, which is create image, or here create images, and you see the Nano Banana icon appearing. And for the best results, I highly recommend using the Thinking with 3 Pro, because we are leveraging a number of attributes, including the multimodal capabilities, meaning text and visual input, and the context behind it, that makes the output extremely detailed. And first things first is I'm going to share with you the prompt behind this. So let's take a look. You can see this is a very dense one, but the structure is very critical to make it successful, and you can use it directly. So first, we're going to have an identity for this work. You are a highly skilled graphic designer and a vector artist. You are the creative director of a modern design studio, and so on. The purpose, that's the second category: to generate a minimalist and high quality art poster of a specified animal, faceted art style with color theory, compositional structure, etc. And this is what gives the output certain guardrails and certain consistency in terms of results. So you can just reuse it as is, and you streamline your work. And then we move to the context itself, with a starting point as a reference image, the name that you can change later or through the chat directly once you have your initial versions. There is the illusion fact of the 3 dimensions and the form of the output. And then the task itself: generate a minimalist poster of, in this case, a fox to start with, deconstruct the subject, apply faceted coloring with a monochromatic palette. And in this case, you can see the colors are matching the fox natural colors, setting the background, adding the typography that you can, of course, change later on, and the final composition. And then once that piece is done, you move to certain constraints so you can make sure and optimize for the consistency. You adhere to the reference, strictly low poly construction, no gradient but faceted, minimalist typography, and so on. So this is basically the key input. Now, to make sure we have the right format of the output, we need a reference image, at least for the dimension, because by default, the output here would be in a square format. So what we're going to use is, let's say, the Instagram story size dimensions, like this one. And this is the type of the poster we would like to basically use as a reference object. So you just copy this image and paste it back in here. So any output from here on will be using that 916 type of format. And you just give it a go. From here, it takes a few seconds, where basically Gemini will use this 9:16 ratio, follow these steps one at a time in terms of your chosen animal, your chosen color palette and the layout, and from there you can then move towards a step-by-step enhancement and improvement based on the final result you are looking for. And this is the first. You can see we have the fox, we have the three-dimension polyfacets, and we have the name we give it to you. So from here, either you can change it directly with the brand new prompt that you are more comfortable with, or you can use this step as the initial one that you start from with. So let's say we want to change this to a panda. Now make it a panda with a color palette of shades of gray and black and white, and name it Oliver. So instead of revising the whole prompt in this case, I need this visual step 0, and I can work from this one step at a time. I can adjust, I can move shapes, I can adjust the colors based on that visual feedback I'm getting as a final result. And this is what makes this work really creative and interesting with your kids or not, is the fact that you can see immediately the output and you can have that surprise effect while also controlling certain ways to match the wishes of your kid or your partner or your friend. And here's Oliver, because before it was named Rouge, and we have the respect of the color palette, gray, black, etc. So from here, I would say, can you add a bamboo cocktail in his hand? There you go, to make it a bit more funny. And this is how basically you can move forward towards the ultimate result you'd like to have. And you can basically have a full collection of a single animal, and you can see like before and after over 6, 7, 8 variation. Or you can create like a Pokemon style set of cards and you print them and you have fun with that. And there you go. Here we have the bamboo, we have the cocktail, and it's in his hand. Now let's take another animal, and now can you make it a German Shepherd dog, for example? And this is all within the same chat, and you can of course download the full size, and even if you want to scale it to 4K in terms of resolution, so you have a really nice output that you can print in the highest resolution that Gemini can provide. But if it's like for your mobile, etc., and there you go. Now you have Oliver the Shepherd drinking a bamboo cocktail. So hope this helpful. Let me know in the comments how it's working for you, and see you in the next video.